Hi, dear Taurus. Very good afternoon, good night, good evening, whatever it is. Okay, take it whichever is in your country right now. So, this is Anjali Tarot. This is the general love reading for all those who are Taurus, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. And this is a reading from 1st of June till 10th of June. Keep in mind, these are general readings. This might or might not resonate with you. Leave the part which is not resonating with you, okay? And keep the other part with you, okay? Let's start, Taurus. Your partner's current energy right now is Taurus, the Hierophant. So I feel like your partner is right now tapping into their spiritual side, okay, or they are right now feeling like they should marry you. The Hierophant, you could be dealing with another Taurus, by the way. So Taurus, your partner right now feels like you are marriage material and they want to marry you. They are feeling like this, okay. This is their current energy, by the way. So either it is like they want to marry you and they feel like you are a marriage material thing, you are somebody to keep for the whole lifetime, or it could also mean that they are right now tapping into their spiritual side. They are working on their spiritual aspect right now. They are being pushed towards spirituality. I feel like this. Let's clarify this current feeling, this current energy. Clarification is very very important because one card never gives you the thorough reading, particular reading. Let's clarify the Hierophant in the current energy. Okay, let's clarify. This is the Ten of Swords, the Two of Wands, and the Six of Cups. Yes, basically, I feel like this person wants to marry you because from their side, the worst is over. They're waiting for you very, very eagerly, and because old time sakes, because you guys had a history together, you guys loved each other very, very much in the past, and you guys had very, very sweet memories. And because of this past, this is the because of these nostalgic feelings, because of these type of loving feelings towards you right now, this person is feeling like they should marry you, okay, in a very very traditional way. This is why this is why their current energy is carrying this kind of energy. They are waiting for the right time. They are just waiting on you to come towards them, to go towards them, because they are missing you. They are nostalgic, very very badly. They are missing you and waiting for you very very eagerly. Let's see your current energy, Taurus. Your current energy right now is Taurus. Your current energy right now is Taurus. Your current energy right now is Six of Swords. I feel like you are moving towards calmer phase in your life right now. Okay, you are still carrying the baggage of the past. It is not like you are just moving towards a happy and cheerful life and not carrying any shit from the past. You are still carrying the baggage from the past, but you are trying to move towards a calmer phase of your life, calmer peaceful resolution. You're just creating a peaceful resolution in your mind regarding this particular person as well, and you're just trying to move towards a calmer phase in your life, calmer waters, you can say. Let's see, clarify, where are you going, Taurus? Let's see. Okay, let's clarify the Six of Swords, Ten of Wands, the Lovers, and the Magician. Okay, you could be dealing with the Gemini. So I feel like you are feeling like this connection is a burden, or in general, you are feeling like this whole scenario, this whole life is a burden to you. And right now, you are searching for true love in your life. You are just searching for a true soulmate, true lover in your life, and you're manifesting. I feel like you're manifesting a soulmate in your life. You're manifesting a true love, true connection in your life. That is why you're just trying to move away from anything negative, any negative shit in your life, and you're just trying to hold on. You're just this is typical Taurus nature, to be really very very patient about something that they really need. That is what you're doing, typical Taurus thing. Okay, Taurus, good to know that. I, being a Taurus myself, I can relate to this very very much. Yeah. Okay, let's see what this particular person feels for you, Taurus. What this particular person feels for you. Let's see what this person feels for you. Two of Wands, waiting for you. Okay, here also in this in their current energy as well, they are just waiting for you, and in their feelings as well, they are waiting for you. This person is deeply 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 sad without you, and they are just waiting for you very very eagerly, very very badly. Okay, let's clarify the Two of Wands. Okay, let's clarify the Two of Wands. Okay, let's clarify the Two of Wands. Knight of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, and the Page of Swords. Okay, their energy is moving from Knight of Pentacles to King of Pentacles, and then coming towards the Page of Swords. I feel like this person is coming towards you, and they are very slow to come towards you. I feel like this person's energy is like, I'm not going to rush into anything. I'm just trying to take it slow. But then suddenly they will realize that no, slowness is not going to work out. They are, they are trying to fasten up their belts, they are trying to fasten up their emotions for you, and they will try to come towards you, but they will stalk you. This is the thing, they are stalking you on social media or Facebook or Insta or whatever the shit you are using on social media. So this person is, they want to come towards you, and their energy is pushing them towards you, but they are just holding back, and they're just trying to wait for you. They're just waiting for you, and that is why because they're just trying to hold on for the time being, they're just spying on you very heavily. They are watching your each and every move, Taurus. Yeah, somebody spying on you like a CBI officer. Yeah. Okay, so let's see what this person wants from you. What this particular person wants from you, Taurus. What this person wants from you, Page of Pentacles. They want a brand new beginning from you. This is the first thing, that they want a brand new beginning from you. The second thing is they are waiting for your message, for your call, for your email, for your text. So I feel like this person wants a message from you, a communication from you, kickstart from you. They want to have a kickstart from your side. Then they will realize, then they will reveal everything that they are feeling. Let's clarify the Page of Pentacles further in what they want from you. They want to start this connection from your side. They want, oh, Page of Pentacles is clarified by the Page of Pentacles, the Ten of Cups, and the Page of Wands. Okay, this is for sure now that this person wants a brand new start from your side, brand new connection from your side, because they feel like this message will bring them happiness, bring them joy, bring them your life to them again, and this will be very passionate start. Okay, they will start with passion. Okay, that is what they want from you. They want a message from you, because this message will make them really very happy, and this happiness will make them very passionate. Okay, they want to have a passionate brand new beginning with you in this connection. This is what they want. They are waiting for you to message them, to text them. Still very high on ego. Bullshit. I feel like these type of assholes, what they want from people, why don't they just reach somebody if they love somebody? Still sticking to on their, they're just still sitting on their ass and just waiting for the other person to reach them, even if they are on the wrong side, even if they are wrong, even if they hurted somebody. Bullshit. Don't go Taurus, don't do anything, I'm telling you. Okay, what the, what an asshole. Fine, so let's see what to expect from this bullshit person. No, let's see what to expect from this person till the 10th of June. Oh, finally, oh my god. So I feel like if you're not going to reach out to this particular person, they are going to reach out to you. This person is coming towards you with a love offer, with a cup of love for you. Okay, so this person is planning to come towards you, but they are really stuck. They are really scared or really afraid to reach you. They are feeling like you might reject them, or you have just completely moved on in your life, and you are not going to give any space, any kind of space to you, to them in their life, in your life. So basically this person is coming towards you, but deep inside they are feeling you are going to reject them, and you're not going to give any kind of space to them in your life. Fine, now it is fine. Oh god, Anjali, you suck sometimes. I know. Let's clarify the Knight of Cups. Fuck. I'm happy that this person finally, is coming and finally have the guts to come. Finally, they are moving their ass and they are just coming or going towards the Taurus. loser. Let's clarify. Okay. So I feel like after waiting for you from a very long time, they want a peaceful. They want to do a peaceful resolution. They want to have a peaceful connection, peaceful brand new beginning. But still, they are very, 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 very conflicted in their mind whether to reach out to you or not. So I feel like after this conflict is over, after they will, move their bullshit, move their ass, big ass from the sofa or from the couch, they will finally realize that they should come towards you, and they are coming towards you after realizing this shit is coming from out. The shit word is coming out from my mouth. I was saying shit is coming. Oh my gosh. So I feel like. So I feel like after waiting for you from a very long time, after waiting for you, and they want a peaceful resolution, and they are very, very conflicted, they are very, very fearful to reach you, but finally they will arrive in your life with a love offer. Taurus, this is a beautiful reading. Congratulations. After a very long time, I feel like you are going to be really very happy. I feel like you're going to reject this. I don't know why my gut is telling me like this. If somebody from the past is coming to me, I'm going to straight away reject that particular person. I don't feel the need to have anybody. Okay. So thank you so much, Taurus, for connecting with me, for tuning in, and God bless you. Namaste. This is Anjali Tarot. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and your comments means a lot to me. I love whenever you comment on my channel, and I love when you like my videos. Keep supporting, keep loving, gratitude, blessings, and lots of love. Thank you.